Hi, Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton here, and I help people who've been messed around, cheated, ripped off by car dealers, debt collectors, credit reporting agencies. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about repossessions. If you've had a car repossessed, you need to watch what I'm going to tell you today. If you've had a car repossessed, there's three things that you need to know. First, the repossession itself has to be done properly without a breach of the peace. That means the repo agent cannot use violence against you. They cannot call the police to have them help. They have to take it peaceably without disrupting you or your neighbors. If you demand that they stop, they have to stop. And they cannot take your stuff either or invade your property to get the car. The next thing you need to know is that before they sell your car, they have to give you notice of the sale and an opportunity to cure it. This opportunity to cure means that you have the chance to buy the car at whatever you owe for the note. This is a special document that has to follow certain rules. And so you need to save this document if you get it. The third thing you need to know is the deficiency notice. Now, when they sell your car, they're going to apply what they sell it to against what you owe on the note. Most of the time, there's what they call a deficiency, meaning you still owe money on the note. After they sell the car, if there is a deficiency, they have to give you an accounting of what the debt you owed on the note is, the amount they sold the car for, any fees they applied to it, and then a statement of what you owe on it. This deficiency notice is another special document. It has to have follow certain rules, have certain disclosures on it. So when you get this, you need to hold on to it too. Look, having a car repossessed is not easy. And I want you to know that we're here for you. If they didn't repossess it properly, or that you didn't get these documents, or even if you got them, I want to help you out. I'll review your case for free, but I can't do it until you give me a call. Give me a call today, 210-226-0800. Thanks.